Converting grayscale shades into alpha channel. I have a grayscale image. I need to convert grayscale tones to transparency data in alpha channel using Adobe Photoshop. Say if the area is black, then no transparency. The white areas will be converted to full transparent pixels in alpha channel. How to do it? Update. This is sample file, which I made by Fireworks. This sample is a result which I would like to achieve in Photoshop. If you open this PNG in Photoshop, you will see what I mean.
Okay, this is very easy. Go to the Channels tab. You should see gray next to the thumbnail of the image you want. If you don't see gray, then your image is not grayscale. Control-click or Command-key-click, if you're on a Mac, on the thumbnail image next to gray. This will select all the white areas of the image. While the white areas remain selected, go back to the Layers tab and select the layer with your image on it. Now go to the top menu and select Layer Mask Hide Selection. If Layer Mask is not selectable, then make sure your image layer isn't set to background. If it is, double-click on it, and then click OK in the window that opens. It should now be set to Layer 0. All white areas will now be transparent in Photoshop. Here's an image done with the above technique.
Create a totally black layer, raster or vector. Then, we'll add a totally white mask to your layer. This will be the alpha channel. When you watch channels, by clicking the Channels tab next to Layers, you will see this alpha channel as. Now you can copy-paste the grayscale image, or any channel, to this and there you have it. Use Ctrl+I to invert it.
The program GIMP, it's free to use and download and similar to Photoshop, has a very simple way of doing exactly what you are asking for without a lot of picking and masking. I know this because I learned photo editing and painting on GIMP before I went to Photoshop and was shocked that Photoshop didn't have this fast and easy way of taking all the white, gray out and keeping a smooth look to the black without a lot of steps. When you are in GIMP, the process is as follows. 1. Open your document, i.e. black and white photo. 2. Right-click on the photo and Layer menu, select Add Alpha Channel. 3. Go to the Color menu at top and select Color to Alpha. A window appears showing the color and hit OK. That's it. You're done. Takes like 1 minute. You can save it as a Photoshop file or anything else. Also, the color picked is defaulted to white on black and whites, but you can color pick any color you want. It doesn't leave a bunch of ragged edges.
In Paint.net. Download and install BoltBaits plugin pack from here. Effects menu Object switch gray to alpha. When asked, switch gray to alpha by deleting, select white.
Here's the correct answer for you. The suggestions above about creating an alpha channel and then using it to create a layer mask are correct. However, they're missing the crucial final ingredient. The result you get from the above does have transparency. However, the pixels are still grayscale, so a shadow effect against a colored background will look weird. You need to add a color overlay to your layer and set it to black. Thereby, all the pixels still retain their transparency but are now black. This means you can have a transparent PNG with a shadow. No multiply effect required. Hope this finally helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing